Hello and welcome to week 3 of Word of the Week. This week we're going to look at the word evaluate. But as ever, we're going to start by retrieving some of the words we've looked at previously. So in week 1 we looked at the word community. So what we'd like you to do is to get yourselves into pairs. And you're going to label yourselves in pairs, person A and person B. Person A being the older of the two of you. Person A, you now have 30 seconds to tell person B everything you know about the word community. In week 2, we looked at the word culture. So we'd like you to go to the back of your literacy books and there's space there for the word culture. So I want you to write down your understanding of the word culture. We're now going to do the same exercise with the word culture. So again, you should be in your pairs. This time, person B, you have 30 seconds to tell person A everything you know about the word culture. And we want you to try and use the whole of the 30 seconds. So teachers, if you could pause the video for 30 seconds. Like we said, this week we're going to look at the word evaluate. So the definition or the meaning of the word evaluate is to form an idea of the amount or number or the value of something. The characteristics, and remember that's the features of the word, so it's a skill used to help you make your own opinions about something. So we'd evaluate information. We often have to evaluate before we voice our opinion because we need to try and form what we think about something. Examples of how it might be used. So teachers evaluate work to give it a mark. A dealer evaluates an antique to find out its worth. In many subjects, we evaluate by exploring the available evidence to create our own ideas. In terms of the etymology of the word, where it comes from. So the word evaluate comes from the French evaluer, excuse me for my French accent, meaning to assess or to find the value of something. So as ever, we'd like you to fill in your Freya model. So at this point, the teacher will pause the video and you need to complete the Freya model in your literacy booklets. So let's dig a little bit deeper with the word evaluate. So in our society, what we want to do is we want to ensure that everyone forms opinions through evaluation, through the use of evidence. If we don't thoroughly evaluate, then this can often lead to misinformed opinions. For example, anyone who denies that climate change is real has not thoroughly evaluated the evidence presented. The evidence shows that climate change is real and is one of the greatest threats facing our planet, and that's why evaluating things is so important.